fight me. But yeah, you can kind of see. It's not that dark, but I do got my fan going right here. Even though it's just raining now, it's not hot, but what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. And let's see if anyone gets up on here. I don't even know what time. Shit, man. It's 3:11 right now. I'm just here in the store chilling. Ay, cabrón. This is the store right now. I even got some shoes right now for sale in the store. Trying to sell shoes and everything. Motorcycle helmets, motorcycle oil. Got some toys, some snacks, some dinosaurs, Copico. Some more snacks over here, sardines. Let's see what we got in the fridge right now. We got beer. Well, why is it dark? First of all. Oh, I think my wife disconnected it. She never connected it back. Yeah, she forgot. Definitely. Got me one of these little bad boys. I'm gonna follow it with a piece of bread. This is my dinner. My dinner, and we're not eating till tomorrow. Alright, let's see what piece. What piece am I getting? Check it out, check it out. It's got like a purple filling in there. If it's purple most of the time, it's a ube. It's pretty good. I think you can hear the rain too.